Hello, good morning. My name is Jivan Limbu from Nepal. I am 20 years old. I am unmarried. My education qualification is close to past. I have 2 years work experience in Nepal. Hotel Sewa Taplejum as a kitchen helper. I want to go Romania as a kitchen helper. Now I am going to show my cutting skills. Thank you.